Hi, this is Cliff from Seminole with another English tip. Brazilians always like to say that the word saudade doesn't exist in any other languages. And it's hard to describe what that means when you're talking to foreign people. But saudade is not the only word that we can't translate directly into English. A word that I wish we had in English is the word chato. The tendency is for Brazilians to use the word boring when they're translating chato. But guys, boring is not the translation of chato. Boring is the translation of entediante. Boring means I have no interest in it. The word chato combines the idea of something being boring and something being irritating. And the closest that we have in English is to say that something is a drag. And drag's a noun, not an adjective. So the sentence construction has to be completely different. I could say, man, that teacher is a drag, or that party was a drag. Thanks. See you next time.